Hey everybody, Stephen Christopher here from WIT Digital with today's Momentum Monday. And as we are in these interesting times of COVID, one of the things that comes up is that we're not doing as many relationship building activities. We're not out there in the community as much as we used to be. We're not meeting with friends. We're not going to events, stuff like that. But connection and relationship building is still extremely important. So a couple little quick tips that I do to help keep those relationship building things moving forward are really simple things. One, I keep a little thing of thank you cards. These are just really simple little thank you cards that a couple times a week I'll sit down and I'll just kind of randomly go through my list of contacts and I'll just send somebody a little card to let them know I'm thinking about them, or let them know that maybe I saw an achievement that they just had, but something to let people know that I'm thinking about them and that I'm still consciously connecting with them. The other thing I do is I will just randomly scroll through my text messages, just basically open your text, swipe and let it just run and do it a couple times, and then look for somebody that you haven't communicated with recently and just shoot them a little message letting them know you're thinking about them. You can do the same for email, and I also do the same on like my Facebook Messenger and my LinkedIn Messenger. But again, it's just really important that we continue to build relationships and build connections even during these interesting times where it can be a little bit harder to remember that. So just make a conscious effort to reach out to people that you haven't talked to, that you used to talk to, or just people that you want to have a better relationship with, so that you're still building connections during COVID and everything else that we're going through. I hope you have an absolutely amazing week.